It's a wet, rainy day in December. It's the perfect time for picking wild grapes because it takes this long for them to attain their maximum sweetness and flavor. Once we've had some cold nights and they get a touch of frost, they haven't been frozen hard yet. So this is the time to pick them because the frost makes them extra sweet. And I think that it may actually activate some kind of chemical process in the grape to make it not only taste better, but more healthy for you. At any rate, I'm only picking a few here so I can enjoy some. And I didn't feel like dragging out the ladder. I've got them going way up this dead tree. And so there's a lot of grapes. Anyways, I think that's enough. I wanted to talk to you about the pleasures that come with having a relation with nature, being in relation with nature. The feeling of not just harvesting delicious grapes or many of the other fruits that grow, but also something that I just finished doing to take advantage of this wet day. Over on the other side of the house is my bonsai garden. I'm going to go inside and do the voiceover in the dry, but I'll show you some images that I took before the rain started over there. The other day, I found this tiny blue red cedar struggling to survive in a most unfortunate location. So I moved it to the bonsai garden where it will thrive. When I saw this little beauty, I felt a surge of joy, knowing that I would be saving a life and adding something to my sanctuary, having a strong connection with me. When I woke up this morning, I was excited to see the much anticipated rain that would facilitate transplanting this special little tree, ensuring success. It truly brought a sense of the sacred. This feeling is sorely lacking from our culture, and the harmful substitutes leave people worse off without being aware of the simple truth that they are not really living at all. I get this very same feeling from growing fig trees, both outdoors and indoors as well. In fact, today I am harvesting the last of the summer crop, and eating it is a sacred act to me as well. The richly colored flesh is even more striking on a gray December day. These trees are perfect for indoor growing, especially since they grow very quickly and will often produce fruit in their first year if well cared for. I make cuttings each year to create more trees, and it is a great and richly satisfying experience. The same feeling comes from growing any plant from a cutting, for it requires more attention and care than growing from seed, increasing the feeling of connection to nature and to the universe itself.